Dear Brother Tom and Sister Gina, I have a janky backpack that is driving me batty. I might have finally gotten a repair job to it that might work, at least for a few more days till I can get down to the PCT days and see if Osprey's there and see what they can do about it. But I've had a janky backpack and I have a janky knee. And my janky knee sometimes hurts so bad I can't get anywhere, and sometimes it gets better. But thanks to a guy named Andrew Carter, thank you again, Andrew, I've got a temporary patch on that. I've got a copper fit compression knee sleeve that seems to be helping me get along on that janky knee. And as of yesterday, I had janky shoes. And when I was going through Knife's Edge by Goats Rock, I was slip sliding away in some very dangerous spots. I had no tread left on my heels, essentially, on my Altra Lone Peak 5.0s. But this morning, I have new shoes on. I have new shoes and I have new Injinji sock liners on. And my feet feel great. And my traction is outstanding. And it's all thanks to Brother Tom and Sister Gina as a birthday present to me. So I wanted to say thank you very much. That meant the world to me. Not just having the shoes, but the fact that you took on the logistics, bought them up out of REI in Seattle, had them shipped down to the Cracker Barrel store at White Pass, and they were there waiting for me. Socks and a bonus pair, 2 bonus pair of Injinji toe liner socks. It made me very happy. And today, my feet demanded that I do a quick video and give you guys a shout out, say thank you. So from the trail, from my feet to yours, happy trails, and I will be seeing you soon. Woo! Damn. I will be seeing you guys soon.